Hey guys, Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will do a very basic journal, how to make it step by step, and how you can also make it using your scrap papers or things like that. Here I'm using a cookie box to make the cover of the journal, and the reason I have taken this box is because it already has a spine. If you don't have a box like that, you can always use a different or cardboards, so that and you can make the spine along with that. So I'll recommend you to choose a box like this to make your process easier. So I am just trimming out the extra parts of the journal, and now I'm left with this. What I'm gonna do, I will take the cover of the I'll take paper to cover the this cardboard, and I have chosen this red color paper. It's a textured paper, and it was in my inventory of all the papers that I have picked. Nothing much fancy or expensive. So I will just trim out the extra part and cover the hardboard or cardboard or cardstock with this paper, and I'll take you to the process like that. Here I will use a glue gun to stick the cardboard with this paper. Also, I want to cut the inner part of the journal after sticking the cover, so that I can cover the inside of the journal. So here I have picked this yellow color cardstock, and I will cut cut in the or trim this in the size in the sizes, so that they can fit inside it. After cutting that, I have just placed it on the paper and made a crease by folding it on side the cardboard and making the crease like that. After that, I will cut cut this into two parts. So I will be left with the two parts of the so that to cover the end and the start of the page start. Also, I have seen that the spine is comparatively small, so I will choose a different paper to make the spine, and the spine that I will cut will be in a bigger size, that you will see in the process. If you're following this video. So what I'm gonna do, I will just pick my glue gun. You can also use Fevicol or any adhesive that you have at home, or you can buy or easily available in the market. I have just placed it on the cover, and I'm using my hot glue gun to paste it. After that, I am trimming the corner of the cover, and I'll then stick it using I did not have a Fevicol, so I was left with some Mod Podge. I have used it as a Fevicol. So I am just using my brush to kind of spread it evenly, and then covering the hardboard this way. After completing this process, we will switch to the next, and that will be covering the inside of the hardboard.
Somehow, I always will meet again. just love like anyone. A brand new story, only made for you and me. I wish this dream could be real. I hope one day, somehow, I always will meet again. Cause I've been wondering why we still play as we were friends. I hope somehow, I always will meet again. It's time to care. We should just share love one day.
After the making the cover of the journal, we are left with the papers. What I'm gonna do, I'm using all my scrap papers, small and bigger, not of exactly the equal sizes. I'm just folding it into equal halves and then putting it aside. I'll do it with all my scrap papers. Like this, and we will be left with so many papers, and then we will also fold some of the papers of equal sizes to fit in the papers of different sizes. So after folding the small and big papers, I have chosen some papers, actually 9 sheets. I have folded them in equal sizes. So these 9 sheets will be folded, and all the papers of the smaller and other different sizes, they will fit inside these papers to make in a separate sections to fit in the journal. Now the cover of the journal is almost ready. I have cut and folded all the papers, and now what I'm gonna do, I will take the bigger papers and put the other smaller papers inside that, and I'll kind of make this sorting this way. I have also used these notebooks pages to fit inside the paper, so that if you want to write something, or you can use these as your notes. So now I will start with the process of sorting, and this way we will just put the different papers in the different sections, and then we'll do the next process, next step after this. So after this, the next process is how we have to bind these inside the cardstock or inside the cover. So I have taken a big needle, and I am pricking the holes inside that. I have counted these, and there are 9 in number. So what I'm gonna do, I will mark the 9 holes and prick the holes this way inside the cardstock. Also, I will prick the holes in the front with similar like in a distance of like 1, 2 or 3 centimeters, and I'm using my scale so that I do not mess up with the gaps in between the holes. So that's all about it. I'll use my needle and the thread to do the bindings.
Alone and loved, that's how I feel. I dream all night and day. Could you give us a chance if you mind? And I deserve it, please, one last time. Could you give us a chance, we'll be so fine. I hope one day, somehow, ours will meet again. Cause I've been wondering why we still play as we were friends. I hope somehow ours will meet again. It's time to care. We should just share love one day. Mine, mine, mine. Mine, 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 mine. Mine, 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 mine. Alone and bored, that's how you feel. You went so far away. You should give us a chance, please be kind. I need to see you just one last time. You should give us a chance, we'll feel alive. I hope one day, somehow, ours will meet again. Cause I've been wondering why we still play as we were friends. I hope somehow ours will meet again. It's time to care. We should just share love one day. Mine, mine, mine. Mine, 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 mine. story only made for you and me. I wish this dream could be real. I hope one day, somehow, our ways will meet again. 'Cause I've been wondering why we still play as we were friends. I hope somehow our ways will meet again. It's time to care. We should just share love one day. Mine, mine, mine. You're mine, you're mine, you're mine. You're mine, you're mine, you're mine, you're mine. You're mine, you're mine, you're mine.
Now the binding all the papers inside the journal, and I'm left with this. So I had this fabric with me. I have just cut it in the size to cover the threads that were showing. You can also keep it leave it like that, but I'm using this to give it to make it more aesthetically pleasing. I'm also using these laces that I had to make the ribbon, so that we can tie them to close it or lock that by pricking the holes on the cardboards. So here I'm using the hot glue gun to kind of stick this fabric onto the spine to cover the threads that were see through, that was which I did not actually liked. So I'm just covering it. You can leave it like that if you wish to. It's not just your wish. It's just your wish how you want to decorate, how you want to cover it, how you want to make it more aesthetically pleasing. So that is all about the journal, and you can also use the same process step by step to make your own journal and maybe more and more beautiful. And that's all about the video. I hope you like this whole process. Please subscribe to my channel and do not forget to press the like button. You can also comment in the comment section. We'll meet in the next video, inshallah.